Hey guys, we're back with another sailboat walkthrough, and today we'll be taking you through our 2005 caliber 40 long-range cruiser. This particular boat is fully equipped for offshore voyaging and is ready to sail away. First introduced in 1993, it was updated in 94 to feature integrated fiberglass tanks that dramatically increased tankage for fuel and water. On deck, you'll notice the inboard shrouds and genoa tracks that are near the cabin, which allows for tighter sheeting angles. What you can't see is that the chain plates are anchored to a bulkhead and then bonded to the hull. This spreads the load over a huge area. The caliber also features 24 openings, including portholes, hatches, and cowls that provide excellent ventilation. The spacious cockpit has enough room for several guests, and the extra-wide coaming tops also provide great seats. The extended stern pulpit and high double lifelines provide extra safety and peace of mind. This boat has excellent electronics, and many of them have been updated. Moving inside, we're greeted by the warm, all-teak interior with no fiberglass to be seen. With more than 6 feet of headroom, the salon is light, airy, and well illuminated. The L-shaped settee to port can be converted into a double berth with storage underneath and behind. The second settee to starboard can be used as a single berth and also hides a lot of storage. Moving forward, we enter an expansive and private full stateroom with an offset queen-sized Pullman berth as well as an ensuite head. There's plenty of storage underneath the berth as well as additional drawers and hanging lockers to starboard. The private ensuite head features its own separate shower that's enclosed by a plexiglass door and has upgraded Corian countertops. Together, the forward cabin and head offer luxurious livability for extended cruising. She is powered by a 54 horsepower Yanmar diesel, and you have 360-degree access in the dedicated engine room. The large L-shaped galley is an efficient space that any chef would appreciate. There's plenty of storage behind and under the stove and behind the top-loading fridge. The galley features a 2-burner stove and oven, stainless steel sink, and microwave. The nav station is tucked behind the galley, away from the flow of traffic, yet its location offers quick and easy access to the cockpit and helmsperson. The same comfort and convenience found in the forward stateroom is also present in the aft stateroom, which has a double berth, large hanging lockers, and private access to the aft head. The aft head is conveniently located to starboard of the companionway with access from the main salon and the aft cabin. An outstanding Bluewater cruiser, this caliber 40 LRC has been updated and equipped with the best of everything. Find the full specs and asking price at the link in the description below, and to see our other listings, visit our website at littleyachtsales.com.